Water supply frustrations continue in some parts of Gauteng, where fears of a humanitarian crisis are unfolding. Areas in southern Johannesburg and the East Rand haven't had water for days. Heidelberg Hospital has had to shut some of its facilities amid water shortages. Southdale residents, meanwhile, haven't had water for 2 weeks. But as Manqoba Mchunu reports, rather than rolling up their sleeves to fix the problem, authorities have instead been pointing fingers at each other.
A dire situation at Heidelberg Hospital in the southeast of Johannesburg as water shortages wreak havoc on medical services.
It's very bad. There's no water and the toilets can't flush, and yeah, it's health risk for me and for everybody that's in there. And it stinks inside there.
These words echo growing fears of a possible humanitarian crisis.
That's not good for anybody. And the woman that's laying inside there, she's already got health risks in her body. She can't breathe, she can't drink, she can't eat, she can't do nothing. And that is going to worsen her.
The area has been without running water for days as officials race to restore services that were disrupted by the Equinox system pump failure. The hospital says it's taken emergency steps to ensure patient safety.
Currently, we have suspended the non-emergency medical services, and that is all your outpatient services. Sizanempilo Clinic. With Sizanempilo, we have noted that they are still receiving some little bit of water, and hence services are not completely shut down. And that also went for elective surgery.
Several other parts of Johannesburg are also bearing the brunt of water shortages. Southdale residents say they've had no water for 2 weeks so far.
It's not easy. We started our fasting month and we have no water in our taps. We have no water to wash. We have no water. We wake up in the morning, we start fasting from sunrise to sunset and we have no water.
This is a crisis. National, please come in. The Minister of Waterworks, please come in here because we need you guys. What is the real problem?
Businesses have also been crippled by the shortages, with one hotel saying it's been forced to close its doors.
It's a month that we don't on and off have water, but for 2 weeks it's been constantly. So staff is not coming to work, we don't have guests, I don't know how we're going to pay the staff. Kitchen is closed, bar is closed, so no service.
With residents, homes, businesses and lives in the balance, both municipalities and Rainwater are placing responsibility on the other for the mess. For now, residents say they're relying on neighboring boreholes for water. Manqoba Mchunu, Heidelberg.